So today I want you to fool around with your game some, and we're going to go get an asset from the asset store. So it's Unity Asset Store. Look it up. Actually, this is not it, is it? Okay, let's get out of here. I don't even know what that is. Unity Asset Store. There it is. So look up Unity Asset Store, and here it is. You're going to have to sign in. Use the same sign in you used for your Unity sign in, Google sign in. And if you're going to look for assets, I always type in free, maybe free spaceship, I don't know, something. And it'll bring them up and make sure they're free. And once you get them, you're going to go to either they're going to come into your package manager, window, package manager. They should appear here for you to install. Or if not, you can go assets, import package, or import new asset. If you imported a package or something, custom package, you can then go find where they brought it in. If you're going to put it on your hard disk, just go get it there. Or if it's just one asset, um, just import the asset. Okay, so we should have, once you're going to get your object, I want you to put your move script on it, which you should still have. If not, go back and watch the video. Yeah, that's way too fast, huh? So I went and got some kind of looks like almost like a duck or something, and let's have it move it. Since we made this a public variable, did we make it a public variable? Let me go look. This is move. Maybe I changed it. I didn't. I did. It's public. And let's click on that baby again. Am I in the game? Why is it not letting me move it? So I got my move script, public float speed. Maybe I changed it. Let's remove it. Put it back on. Still won't let me move it. Let's take a look at it. We have an error message. So there's something going on with this. We're going to have to figure it out. Let me change it to something else. Okay, so cannot reparent window to suggest a parent will automatically close. Let's see if we can change this. No, let's just save it, close it, Let's go back and open it. Oh, maybe I should have closed my script too. Okay, let's see what we got now. Okay, now I can change it. Some kind of error message. So that's too fast because it's still using this one. Now let's try it. There we go. So you're going to have to, first of all, make sure whatever you bring in doesn't have a animation on it. And then you're going to have to fool around with some physics. The plane will let us not sink into the ground, but you're going to have to maybe get a collider, put your own collider on your object like I did, which is component physics. I got a sphere collider on mine, so if I look at my player, you can see my collider, and then I had to adjust it. I had to adjust the height in here and move it up on the Y, etc., so it wasn't down because it was way too big. So adjust your collider. I don't think I have a rigid body on my object. I just put the move script on. I'm going to probably make my walls a little bit bigger, a little bit higher. So fool around with it, get an object inside there. Let's see if we can make it move and collide with our walls.